Meet the YARDMAX YG4761. Experience ultimate convenience with this 24-inch, electric start 201 cubic centimeters rear-wheel drive, 3-in-1 self-propelled lawnmower, designed for effortless lawn care. The assembly is quick, featuring a foldable handle that securely locks into place and offers 3 height positions for maximum comfort. With good clean-cut performance. Simply install the high-capacity 2.3 bushel-liter rear bag. Powering this performance is the robust 201 cubic centimeters YARDMAX OHV engine. Electric start simplifies the entire starting process, making your gardening tasks more efficient and stress-free. Just add oil and gas, press the button, and you're ready to go. Now, with starting made effortless, take full control of your mowing pace. The 6-speed shift lever acts like a CVT transmission, offering superior speed variability to handle any terrain, thick or thin. This mower adapts to your needs with 3 cutting options. You can select the mulch setting to naturally nourish your lawn, use the rear discharge for extended mowing sessions. Or you can bag clippings for a clean look. This is the YARDMAX difference, a mower that will make your yard work job easy. It's built to provide reliable performance and a clean, even cut, season after season. Maintenance is just as straightforward. When you're finished, easily clean the deck by simply connecting a garden hose. YARDMAX YG4761 YF1320 with cordless leaf blower, engineered with a 20V rechargeable battery and a brushless motor for quiet, efficient operation. Its advanced jet fan design delivers 150 CFM of powerful airflow, easily clearing leaves and debris with 7 adjustable speeds. Both mower and blower tools share interchangeable batteries, ensuring convenience and streamlined operation, making your yard work effortless and enjoyable. Upgrade today to experience the perfect blend of power and innovation with this all-in-one combo.